This year we made it to Barcelona and we're happy to share what we've learned during our stay there. If you're planning a trip to beautiful Barcelona, here are our tips on how to use public transportation in this amazing city. Barcelona is enormous, so the traffic can be heavy, which means driving or getting around by taxi may not always be an option. Besides, public transportation is cheap and efficient, so in my opinion, it's the best way to get around the city. Most attractions you'll see as a tourist can be reached by metro and bus, so that's what we'll talk about in this video. There's a full guide to Barcelona on our channel, make sure you check it out and hit subscribe for more traveling tips and tricks. If you're flying to Barcelona, you're going to arrive at the Prat Airport, which is connected to the city center by metro. Just to get an idea of the costs, the taxi ride from the airport to the city center costs 35–40 euros, the ride on the Eurobus airport transfer is 6,75, and the single ride metro ticket from the airport is 5.15 euros. However, if you get the Hola Barcelona travel card, you have this ride included, as well as unlimited trips on all transportation means for 2 to 5 days. Here's how much it costs. It includes rides from and to the airport, and also unlimited journeys on the metro, bus, tram, funicular and regional railway. This means you can easily move around Barcelona without worrying about further payments for transportation. You can buy the Hola Barcelona card at the machines in the metro stations, but you will get a 10% discount if you buy it from their website. You will find these machines at the metro stations connected to the airport. To find it, follow the directions and signs to the line L9SUD. To find the best routes via public transportation in Barcelona, you can use Google Maps. Just write your destination, tap on the public transportation icon and follow the instructions. The metro is a great way to move around Barcelona as it's fast and the trains come every few minutes. If you don't have a ticket or a Hola Barcelona pass, you can buy one at the ticket machines or the vendor's office for 2.4 euros per ride. You will have to validate your ticket at the barriers by inserting it in this slot. This door will open and you can go ahead and enter. Once you enter the metro, you will no longer need to validate your ticket, so you can just put it back in your wallet. Now about your wallet. Barcelona is a big city and like most big European cities, it's very popular amongst pickpockets. So make sure you watch your belongings, especially on the subway and in other crowded places. When you reach your destination, follow the signs to find your exit and get out through the doors with the green arrow. When leaving the station, the ticket barriers open automatically, so you don't need to insert your ticket again. Barcelona is famous for its busy nightlife, so during the weekends, the metro works at nighttime as well. Here's the full schedule. Some attractions like Park Güell can only be reached by bus. Here's what you need to know about riding the bus in Barcelona. If you don't have a Hola Barcelona pass, you can buy your ticket from the driver. On TMB buses, you can pay both in cash or by card. You always enter the bus through the front door, where you validate or buy a ticket, and exit it through the back. You will have to validate your ticket by inserting it in this slot. In the bus station, when you see the bus approaching, wave. The driver might not stop unless signaled or unless someone on the bus wants to get off. This brings us to our next point. When you approach your destination, press the red button so the driver knows you want to get off at the following station. Make sure you take the bus in the right direction. You can follow the stops on your route on Google Maps as you're traveling toward your destination. The direction written on the bus should match the direction indicated by the route on Google Maps. After midnight, there are night buses available. A single ride costs 2.40 euros and these tickets are not included in the Hola Barcelona pass. And speaking of the Hola Barcelona pass, please note that it is only available on TMB buses. There are other transport companies operating in Barcelona and this pass doesn't work on their cars. If you accidentally hop on a bus that isn't TMB, you will have to buy a ticket from the driver. Barcelona has two cable cars, one to Montuijc Castle and the other servicing Port Vell, known as the Teleferic del Puerto. We took the Montuijc cable car when we visited the castle, and we really enjoyed the ride and the views from up there. To get to the Montuijc cable car, you can take the funicular from the center of Barcelona. This ride lasts for a couple of minutes and it is included in the Hola Barcelona pass. Barcelona is an amazing destination with so many great attractions to visit. It's a great city with a busy nightlife, amazing beaches, good restaurants and beautiful architecture. Make sure you include in your trip a visit to Prat Airport, the amazing Sagrada Familia and the incredible Gothic Quarter. There's a full Barcelona guide on our channel, so make sure you check it out and subscribe for more recommendations and practical tips for your trip.